For anyone looking for a compact smart TV that doesn't feel limited by its size, the Sony 32-inch 720p HD LED HDR TV W830K Series delivers an impressive combination of performance, design, and smart functionality. While 32 inches and 720p might seem modest compared to modern 4K panels, this 2022 model proves that size isn't everything. It's an excellent option for bedrooms, kitchens, dorms, or secondary living spaces where a smaller, functional display is exactly what you need. Starting with the design, Sony has kept things clean and modern. The black finish gives it a sleek, understated look that fits into almost any room decor. The bezels are slim but not fragile, creating a more immersive viewing experience without sacrificing durability. The unit is light and easy to mount on a wall or place on a stand, and the included feet are simple to assemble while remaining stable. From every angle, this TV feels solid and thoughtfully built, which is something you notice immediately compared to other TVs in this size and price range. Picture quality is surprisingly good for a 720p HD panel. Thanks to HDR support, colors are vivid, contrast is enhanced, and highlights appear brighter and more detailed than on standard HD sets. Whether you're streaming movies, catching up on shows, or playing casual video games, the HDR makes the picture more engaging. Motion handling is smooth, and the color reproduction is natural without oversaturation. Dark scenes retain depth, and brighter areas are crisp, which makes watching both movies and day-to-day content more enjoyable. Smart features are where this TV really stands out. Google TV is built in, providing easy access to a wide range of apps and streaming services. Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and Amazon Prime Video are all accessible from the main menu. The interface is intuitive, quick to navigate, and keeps everything organized. Switching between apps or searching for content is seamless, which makes the overall experience fast and convenient. Voice control comes through Google Assistant integration, allowing you to perform tasks hands-free. You can launch apps, search for movies or shows, and even control compatible smart home devices with simple voice commands. The remote works well for voice input, and the system accurately responds to most requests without repeated attempts. This adds a significant layer of convenience, especially when multitasking around the home. Audio is surprisingly good for a small TV. The built-in speakers deliver clear dialogue and balanced sound, making it suitable for casual viewing. While it won't replace a full soundbar setup or home theater, it's more than enough for bedrooms, kitchens, or smaller living areas. For those seeking enhanced audio, the TV supports Bluetooth and HDMI ARC connections to connect external speakers or sound systems. Setup is quick and straightforward. Plug in, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the Google TV prompts to get started. Wall mounting is supported with standard VESA brackets, and the stand installation is easy. The TV also offers multiple connectivity options, including HDMI and USB, which makes hooking up gaming consoles, streaming devices, or external drives effortless. Sony has also optimized this TV for energy efficiency. Features like auto brightness adjustment help reduce power consumption without affecting picture quality. This is a practical advantage for long-term use, keeping energy costs low while maintaining an enjoyable viewing experience. Overall, the Sony W830K Series 32-inch TV combines compact size with high-quality features. Its HDR picture, intuitive Google TV interface, and integrated Google Assistant provide a modern, connected entertainment experience. It's a smart choice for anyone needing a secondary TV or a smaller display without compromising on performance or usability. Whether it's a bedroom, kitchen, or dorm setup, this TV delivers a premium viewing experience in a smaller form factor. It's easy to set up, looks sleek, performs reliably, and comes with all the modern features you expect from a smart TV. For anyone looking for an affordable, feature-rich compact TV, the W830K Series is a compelling choice. It proves that even small TVs can be smart, capable, and enjoyable.